Rakatah Yahweh Bashem Amashiach Yahweh Shai. Peace and blessings, family. So King and Shepherd coming with another video today. I want to tell y'all something. You know, y'all know me. I talk a lot of shit, man. A lot, like, I talk a lot of shit, man. All right. I know it. I know it. Been doing it all my life, you know. But, I think I talked a little too much when it came to me, you know, getting on the Most High, like, why he ain't got here yet. I'm ready to go. Y'all heard me. Man, I'm ready to get the fuck out of here, man. Look, I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. Come on, man. Y'all done said it with me, right? Y'all said it with me. I done said it, man. Many times. Said it last year on the 8th, remember? I was all butthurt. You know? I was all butthurt that the Most High didn't come yet, man. You know? I was butthurt. Just got done this time. You know why the Bible say the Most High is long suffering now, man? I mean, I thought I knew before, but no. Now, don't get me wrong, right? I do want to get out of here, y'all. I do. But Most High did something that he ain't done to me since I got in this truth. I think I told y'all the story about how I got in this truth, man. You know, I was out of the won't he do it for like 3 years. All I was doing was working, going home, playing Xbox, playing Halo, fucking around with the Master Chief. Then one day, man, I just had a badass dream. A dream I was in hell. And these little fucking imps, little ugly little demons, man, I was like on the ceiling, man, and I couldn't move. And they were stabbing me with these long ass fucking spears and shit, laughing. And I woke up, man, and I was like, oh shit. That's when I started petitioning the Most High. I said, you know, man, what you want me to do? I can't end up down there. I can't end up down there. What, you want me to go back to church? I don't want to go. I'm gonna be honest about that. I don't want to go. But I'll go. I even put the suit on, you know? Shit. He was like, nah, you ain't going back in there. Now your real journey begins. So, long story short, that's how I kind of got into the truth, you know what I mean? It started with a dream, right? But, tell y'all something, man. I went in this morning, got my treatment, right? Sat in that chair. I went to sleep, man. My treatment's like 4 hours, right? So, I woke up after 2 hours. But I had a dream. And that dream scared the living shit out of me. Yeah. I'm not even bullshit with you. Fuck me up! So I had me go to Scripture. Amos chapter 5, verse 18. Woe unto you that desire the day of the Lord, To what end is it for you? The day of the Lord is darkness and not light. I'm going to read the New Living Translation. What sorrow awaits you who say, if only the day of the Lord were here. You have no idea what you are wishing for. That day will bring darkness and not light. Dream was about, I don't know, maybe 8 to 10 seconds. Tops. And let me tell y'all, man. That cloud come rolling in. And I mean, we all seen rain clouds, they get up and they, no, man. See, this didn't go like that. It was a mist. Low altitude. It just came in. Kind of rolled in. Then above that, it was a darker layer. But above that was the big one. A big red inked out blob, man. Thick, just like he said, a bloody cloud, man. And look, I'm colorblind and I could see it in my dream. And the rain, when it start coming down, I was in my house. It wasn't no ordinary rain. It was heavy, man. The raindrops, man, like they was a foot long. And when they hit the house, all I heard was sound like somebody was shooting the house, man. I looked at the ground. Each time that the raindrops hit, man, it was leaving like little pock marks. The rainwater had weight to it, okay? And the wind was blowing hard, right? And I could hear it. It was loud, man. And the thundering, it was crackling, just sending streaks of fucking lightning, man. The worst part was the earthquake. Now, if y'all ain't never been in an earthquake, I mean, here in Cali, I've been in several of them. Worst one was back in 1994. That was the worst one I ever been in. Only one worse than that one was when I was a kid. I was only maybe 1 year old. It was like 1971. I didn't even know I was here yet. Mama told me about it, but the one in 94, it was bad. It was like a 8.2. That's how they measure the intensity of it. And it lasted for a good probably 10 seconds. That's a long time for an earthquake. Shook the shit out of Los Angeles. It's called the Northridge quake. This one here made that look like a small aftershock. It was shaking, man, and it was loud. It was rumbling. You could feel the fucking ground just moving, and you could hear this loud ass howling, man, and the damn power lines was snapping and sparking. The transformers was sparking and shorting out and blowing up. The wires was going everywhere, and it just kept going. And I just kept hearing this loud, and goddamn, right? I'm in there like, fuck. And with an earthquake, you can't do nothing. Don't run outside, right? And that cloud, man, was just up there, man, just turning. Real wicked, man. And them raindrops falling, man, that fucking red puddles just gathering up. I'll tell y'all something, man. When I woke up, right? When I woke up. So, like I said when I started, I talk a lot of shit. And like I say, I want to get out of here, man. But I am not looking forward to how we got to go. Y'all you better use every bit of this time to get yourself ready. Now, I didn't get to the smoke. I didn't get to the fire. That was just the rain and the quake. That was it. And that scared the living shit out of me. I don't scare easy. That shit fucked me up. So, when he come, he gonna tear this place down. And I could just, my heart was racing when I woke up, man. It's gonna be terrible. Terrible. So, forgive me if y'all don't hear me talking that same shit. Hey, when you get here, man, it's on, but I'll never ask for it again after that. I want to go. But, man, getting over there, it's going to be a task. I couldn't imagine going through that for 24 hours. And then the fire come at the end. I'm convinced that most of the population is going to die just from being afraid. Yeah. This is why Yahushua going to have to give the angels charge over us. Lest you dash your foot against a stone. 1,000 shall fall at thy side and 10,000 at thy right hand. We gonna need every bit of that protection, man. That shit scared the fuck out of me, y'all. Man. And ooh. You fucking stupid ass scoffers, man. Y'all in for a treat, man. Y'all in for a treat. Yeah. That's all I got to say. Y'all in for a treat. You motherfuckers is gonna, man. Oh, y'all think this is a joke? Think it's funny? It's not, man. When the Most High said, with a mighty hand and with fury poured out, I felt every bit of that in that 8 to 10 seconds. You ain't seen nobody this mad, right? You ain't seen nobody this mad. And that's just from what I could see in the dream. We ain't talking about the tsunamis, the coastlines being wiped out, the fucking sun being snatched out the sky, just gone. The moon not giving its light, the stars falling from heaven, the sky opening up, the smell of brimstone. Oh yeah. Yeah. That one day is gonna fuck up every other day that he done. Every day. Sodom and Gomorrah, the first Egypt. This is why he said that no longer will it be said. Let me find that. Let me find that. Jeremiah 23 and 8. Yeah, Jeremiah 23, verse 7. Therefore, behold, the days come, saith the Lord, that they shall no more say, the Lord liveth, which brought up the children of Israel out of the land of Egypt. But the Lord liveth, which brought up and which led the seed of the house of Israel out of the north country, and from all countries whither I have driven them, and they shall dwell in their own land. See, when he do this, ain't nobody gonna even talk about the first Egypt no more. It's gonna be that bad. It's gonna be that bad. All right. You know, I was reading some of the comments from yesterday's video. Armando Brown, dude, you just think everything happened during the time Revelation was written out. I mean, so don't nothing pertain to now. You brainwashed as hell. You're gonna pay for your insolence though. You're gonna pay. Ain't no Jesus coming to get you. He gonna be the one tearing shit up. You know, you're just too dumb to see it. You gonna get it. You gonna see it though. You gonna see it. I got that dream and the information that I got yesterday. It changed my life. I'm looking at you scoffers totally different now. I don't feel sorry for you, but it's as close as I can come to feeling sorry for you. You man. Y'all don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing, man. This is why Yahushua said it will be just like in the days of Noah. What was the first thing that happened? Well, not the first thing, the only thing. It rained, right? Well, he started off with rain again. But he throwing everything else in the mix. Rain, the thunder, the lightning, the blood rain, the earthquakes, the everything. He got a trail mix of terror. All right. And knowing y'all just probably still sitting back laughing. Ooh, I'm so afraid. You mocking the Most High, man. Like I say, I hate you too much to feel sorry for you, but I don't know what I feel right now for y'all. You know, it's gonna be that. You know how I can't stand. Hey, family, y'all know how much I can't stand these motherfuckers. Y'all know. So for me to get to this point, that dream had to be something terrible, and it was. I'll never forget it as long as I'm on this side. Got my full attention. I can't imagine what would have happened last year on the 8th if that time came and I didn't know all of this. I'm thinking we finna get picked up in a chariot or, you know, he just kept all of this back to the end. All praises, man. All praises for his mercy. All praise. Look, he would have had to have. Look, y'all, I'm going to tell you what he would have needed. He would have needed a whole garrison of angels, a gurney, an EKG machine, 26. We'd be like, clear! He'd have needed all that shit for me. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. My ass would have been like, boop, boop, boop. My ass probably would have flatlined 2 or 3 times. Hey, man. When I say that the Father of lights is coming to fuck this place up, that don't even do it no justice. Man, it didn't even look like planet Earth, man. When he said that the earth shall reel to and fro like a drunkard, oh my God, man. See, in a regular earthquake, see the walls, man, shaking, right? And I was in the house and walls like, it was just that, I mean, and that rain was hitting. So yeah. So hey, y'all, I ain't trying to dampen y'all day. I ain't trying to do nothing. I'm just trying to let you know what the fuck is coming, man. You better use every ounce of this time. Because when he get here, hey, man, I wish I ain't playing, man. Yeah. If you caught on the wrong side, if you out of bounds with the Most High, woo! Lord help you. I done a lot of videos, man. Thousands. Over these years. Shit. I'm feeling like I need to go back to 5 a day or something, man. Cause woo! But I'm just kidding. I already know the Most High ain't gonna leave me out here. I got faith. But goddamn, y'all. Yeah. I mean, think about it. When the last time I done a video like this, I done brought out, what, one scripture? Little to no jokes. That shit had me shook, man. When he say the fear of the Lord, he means just that. Now, I thought I had fear until I woke up. No. I've been doing my best, man. You know, to be obedient and do what the Most High want, man. I've been feeding his sheep, man. I've been feeding his lambs, you know. That's what I've been doing. Y'all been eating, right? You been eating? Hey, put a prayer for your boy. Say, Father Lights, Shepherd been feeding us. Put it in a prayer today, tonight. Cause let me tell y'all something. I see why there's going to be few men left. I'm telling you. Let me get a precept. Let's see. This is Ezekiel 21, verse 5. I'll start at 4. Well, I just started verse 1. And the word of the Lord came unto me, saying, Son of man, set thy face toward Jerusalem, and drop thy sword toward the holy places, and prophesy against the land of Israel, and say to the land of Israel, Thus saith the Lord, Behold, I am against thee, and will draw forth my sword out of its sheath, and will cut off from thee the righteous and the wicked. Seeing then that I will cut off from thee the righteous and the wicked. Therefore shall my sword go forth out of his sheath against all flesh, from the south to the north, that all flesh may know that I am the Lord, that I, the Lord, have drawn forth my sword out of his sheath. It shall not return any more. Sigh therefore, thou son of man, with the breaking of thy loins, and with the bitterness sigh before their eyes. And it shall be, when they say unto thee, Wherefore sighest thou? That thou shalt answer, For the tidings, because it cometh. And every heart shall melt, and all hands shall be feeble, and every spirit shall faint, and all knees shall be weak as water. Behold, it cometh, and shall be brought to pass, saith the Lord power. You heard what he said? He said the hearts of men are going to faint. The knees going to be feeble. Man. But some of y'all out there still think that this is a game and that this is just nothing. Now, y'all know what's getting ready to happen, right? Imagine those that don't. Imagine those that don't. Imagine the people that wasn't here. Imagine the people that laughed at you when you tried to tell them. Just imagine. Imagine them. Get another precept. Just gonna bring in a whole new meaning now. First Thessalonians chapter 5. Verse 1. But of the times and seasons, brethren, ye have no need that I write unto you. For yourselves know perfectly that the day of the Lord so cometh as a thief in the night. For when they shall say peace and safety, then sudden destruction cometh upon them, as travail upon a woman with child, and they shall not escape. Look at verse 4. But ye, brethren, are not in darkness, that that day should overtake you as a thief. And this is what he means when he says that you are not in darkness. Y'all getting the game now. All these idiots out here that don't want to listen and think this shit is funny. The Bible, man, you laughing at the Most High, man. You laughing at his word, and you're laughing at him, and you don't think he's going to do it till he do it. Man, the dumbest people on earth, man. The dumbest people on earth. I ain't never mocked the Most High in my life. Ever. Ever. Long before I was even in the truth. Long before I was a won't he do it. Even as a kid, I didn't play with the Most High. So ain't gonna start now. But all of y'all that are, especially that fucking idiot on there. What was he talking about? Rico. Talking about Yahweh Shai and his diapers and all. Man. Yeah, man. That dream fucked me up, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I see now what these niggas finna get. And you earned it. You earned it. Boy, when I say he gonna pay y'all back 1,000,000-fold. So, you better buckle up, man. As for me, I'm not gonna ask for it again. You dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna sit here, keep going through these scriptures, and shut the fuck up. All right? All right. So, I know this video was a little bit unorthodox, but hey, I feel it was very necessary. Royal House, salute you. All right? Y'all dig into this, man. All right? I'll see y'all on the next go round. It's your King and Shepherd KD, and I'm out. Shalom.